steps. Here's a general guide to help you through the process. Determine your coverage needs. Before you start looking for a car insurance, decide what type of coverage you need. California law requires minimum liability coverage, but you may also want additional coverage for comprehensive and collision. Understand motorist and more. Other information. You will need some information to get a car insurance quote, including personal information, your name, address, date of birth and driver license number, mobile number, make, model, year, VIN number, vehicle identification number, and mileage of your car. Driving history information about your driving record, including any accident or tickets. Top of quotes. Start by getting quotes from multiple insurance companies. You can do this online, over the phone, or in person. Consider reaching out to insurance agent or using online comparison tools to help you find the best rates. Compare policies. When you receive quotes, compare the coverage options, deductible and premium offered by different insurance companies. Make sure the policies meet your specific needs and budgets. Choose an insurance company. Select the insurance company that offers the best combination of coverage and affordability. Research the company reputation and financial stability by checking online reviews and ratings. Complete the application. Once you have chosen an insurance company, you will need to complete an application. This can typically be done online or with the help of an insurance agent. Provide required documentation. The insurance company may require additional documentation such as proof of identity, vehicle registration, and driving license. Pay your premium. To activate your policy, you will need to pay the first premium installment. You can usually pay online, by phone, or by mail. Receive your proof of insurance. After payment, insurance company will provide you with a proof of insurance card. Keep this card in your vehicle at all times. It serves as evidence of coverage. Understand your policy. Carefully review your policy documents to understand the coverage, deductibles, and any exclusion or limitation. Renew your policy. Before you start looking for car insurance, decide what type of coverage you need. California law requires minimum liability coverage, but you may also want additional coverage for comprehensive and collision. You will need some information to get a car insurance quote, including personal information, your name, address, and driver license number, vehicle information, make, model, year, VIN number. You can do this online, over the phone, or in person. Consider reaching out of insurance agent or using online comparison tools